In this video, I'll walk you through the extensive list of channels available on YouTube TV, a popular streaming service that offers access to live TV and on-demand content. YouTube TV provides a wide range of channels across various genres, including major networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, and Fox, as well as cable staples such as ESPN, CNN, and TNT. You'll also find entertainment channels like AMC, HGTV, and FX, along with sports coverage from channels like NFL Network, NBA TV, and MLB Network. For those who love lifestyle and specialty content, YouTube TV includes networks like Food Network, Bravo, and Travel Channel, along with international channels in select areas. Plus, the service includes local news stations, premium channels like Showtime and HBO available as add-ons, and a solid selection of kids' programming, making it a versatile option for families and individuals alike.